free speech. We want free speech. We want free speech. We want free speech. Recover all activists. 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 We want free speech. We want free speech. We want free speech. Free speech. We want free speech. We want free speech. Bloggers and the writers in Pakistan which are being abducted illegally, which are being kidnapped, and there is no law. We don't know where they are. We want from Pakistani state to recover all those activists, to recover all those writers and the bloggers. And we want Pakistani state to ensure that our basic right of free speech. We want Pakistani state to protect our basic human right of free speech and our basic right to have a cyberspace open. So we demand from Pakistani state to unban the illegal to unban all the illegal censorship on social media and all the media which they have imposed illegally on us. We want free speech. We want free speech. We want free speech. We want free speech. Recover all activists. Recover all activists. Recover all activists. Unban free speech. Unban free speech. Unban free speech. Recover all activists. Recover all activists. Recover all activists. Free speech. We want free speech. We want free speech. We want free speech. Recover all activists. Recover all activists. Recover all activists. We want free speech. And the veteran political activist, Sai Ahmed Mushtaq Saab, Sai Sucha, also known as Sai Sucha. Now I will invite Masood Qamar Saab, who wants to recite 2 poems in Urdu.
मुंह पर तकिया रखकर तुम किसी को मार सकते हो, मगर मरने वाला अपनी सांसें और नज़में तकिए पे छोड़ जाता है। मुंह पर तकिया रखकर तुम किसी को मार सकते हो, मगर मरने वाला अपनी सांसें और नज़में तकिए पे छोड़ जाता है। तकिए को तुम जला सकते हो, मगर तकिए की सांसें और नज़में कातिल के कानों में सुराख करती रहती। फूलों के बाग पे तुम छावनियाँ तमीर करने वाले भूल जाते हो कि फूल छावनी की दीवार फाड़ कर उगाता है। ये कराची की एक सिंध की शायरा है, सुमेरा कुरैशी, उनकी ये नज़म है। कन तो पहने सर, ये सलमान हैदर के नाम पे है। इनके पास कुछ भी नहीं था, वो इर्तिका के समुंदर में कागज़ की कश्तियाँ खेने के आदी थे। उन्होंने बड़ी मेहनत से अंदर के डर और खौफ को अलाव में बदल दिया था। वो उठा लिए गए हैं कि ग्लेशियर आग से डरता है, सर्द और बेहिस रात किसी भी हरारत भरी बात को कबूल नहीं करती। कौमी सलामती के बंकर की हिफाजत के पेश नज़र ब्लैक आउट करके चांद पे लेप कर दिया गया है। खबरें अब बेआवाज़ सुनाई जाएंगी और सरों पर शाह दौले के कन तो पहने फिर खौफ की तिजोरियाँ भर रहे हैं। मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूँ, ये पिछले दिनों हमने ये जब फेसबुक पे इन लोगों पे protest against the arrest
and abduction of 4 of Pakistani activists. But I will remind you that this tradition to take away people who speak for us is not new. It happened to Socrates, it happened to Jesus, it happened to Mandela, it happened to Victor Jara. Throughout history, there are people in all over the world, when they spoke their mind for the people, they were punished, they were arrested. And now, the same thing what happened in South America, in Chile, in Argentina, has come to Pakistan. It happened in Iran, where they actually killed all the intellectuals when Khomeini took power. It has been happening in Balochistan, it has been happening in frontier area, it has been happening in Kashmir, where they took away people who spoke their mind. And now it has come to Punjab. We are not here for the sake of only Punjabis, we are here for the sake of everyone who speaks for people's rights. Thank you.
Letter we wrote to the Ambassador of Pakistan says that it is regarding the disappearance of Salman Haider, Waqass Goraya, Aasim Saeed, Samar Abbas and Ahmed Reza, and we demand for their immediate return. We are a group of concerned Pakistanis and Swedish who are residing in Sweden. Our group includes the concerned citizen of Sweden, Pakistan, and it also includes members of the families of the recently missing online critics. We are outraged by the disappearance of 5 prominent online critics, Salman Haider, Waqass Goraya, Aasim Saeed, Samar Abbas and Ahmed Reza. We are not alone. The international community, including the UN Special Rapporteur on the promotion and the protection of the rights to freedom of opinion and expression, Amnesty International and Human Rights Watch have issued urgent appeals to the government of Pakistan. Though we have no clear indication of what happened to them, like many others, we see a clear pattern in the disappearance. All the missing were critical of both the rising tide of social conservatism within Pakistan as well as human rights abuses and military policy carried out by the Pakistani state. Given the history of enforced disappearance in other parts of the country, we believe that the young men have gone missing because of their vocal and brave stance against all forms of oppression in Pakistan. We believe that they embody the spirit of what it means to be Pakistani. We believe that the false accusation on sites known to incite violence against descendants, minorities, the vulnerable, the marginalized, and therefore the majority of people of Pakistan have put the lives of these young men in grave danger. Brilliant, gifted, and intelligent thinkers like Salman Haider, Waqass Goraya, Aasim Saeed, Samar Abbas, and Ahmed Reza, who are willing to risk their lives to speak against power, are the future of our country. It is our responsibility to protect them if we hope to see a more democratic, equal, just, and prosperous Pakistan. As the most important representative of Pakistan in Sweden, we believe that it is your personal responsibility to ensure the relatives of the missing that the state will do everything in its power to protect and bring home these young men. We believe that the oath you have taken to defend the interest of Pakistan refers to the sanctity and the safety of its citizens. These men are the citizens of our country and we demand assurance of their safe return.